so this is like the first legit makeup look of 2019. I'm going to end with the eBay 180 palette, and I'm going to take my favorite color of the palette at the moment. It's not my favorite color in general, but this blue that I'm going to use first is like the most pigmented blue I ever had used in a look, you guys. So I'm just going to be taking it and applying it halfway to the crease. I'm going back into the same exact palette, and I'm going to be taking this nice pink color, and I'm going to be applying it right next to the blue, but make sure you're blending back and forth because you don't want it to look obvious where you did apply like one shade here, and it doesn't overlap. So kind of be careful when you do that. It works out easier. And then I'm going to apply the purple into the crease, and also make sure that you don't overlap when you're using so many different colors, because it's going to be very, very challenging. But at the same time, make sure you're using the right brush. Make sure you don't overlap, and make sure you go light-handed. Then after that, I'm going to be applying my concealer. My favorite concealer at the moment is from LA Girl Cosmetics. I will have each product listed below. Then I'm going to end with the green in that palette, and you guys, this green is just so beautiful. And I'm going to be applying the green. I'm going to be applying so many colors on the lid. I'm just, you know, testing out. I'm going to apply yellow, and then I'm going to apply green again. So repack on the shades, because sometimes when you do add two colors on one eyelid, it can become very, very, very overwhelming. So be on the lookout for that. But you know, that's why you can go back and repack and feel great about it. You know, once you go back, you blend it in, and then next thing you know, you have that look again. Now I am going to be taking the e.l.f. cream eyeliner in black, and I'm going to be lining the upper lash line, and I'm going to be applying eyelashes, and then I'm going to be coming back with the completed look. I really wanted you guys to see how hard putting on lashes could be. Like, this is what I go through. That's why I say I'm going to apply them off camera. But this is what I go through putting on lashes. Hashtag struggle.